I just installed one tool on Windows 11 and now I physically can't go back to how it looked before. That tool is called Windhawk. Here's the thing, Windows 11 customization is terrible. You can't move the taskbar, you can't change how the start menu works. Microsoft locked down everything and said deal with it. But Windhawk, it unlocks everything. Taskbar customization, window animations, UI tweaks, Microsoft refuses to add. It's basically jailbreaking Windows, except it's completely free and totally safe. And by the end of this video, your Windows is going to look so good that stock Windows will feel broken in comparison. Trust me, there's no going back after this. Now let's see what this thing can actually do. Okay, so now let's open the web browser and let's search here for Windhawk, and let's go here to this website, windhawk.net. And by the way, I will also put this link in the video description down below so you can easily follow along. Here, I think I'm gonna click on the download button to get this installer file. So let's go here and let's click on this .exe file. And here we have installer language. Let's click here on OK. Standard installation recommended. Installed Windhawk for all users on this machine. Let's click on next. Yes, here on this admin prompt, we can here disable the desktop shortcut. I will leave enabled here start menu shortcuts only. And then let's click on next. And then here I will click on install. Downloading Windhawk compiler, extracting files. And now it's finally finished. Completing Windhawk setup. Let's click here open Windhawk and finish. And then here I have installed mods, featured mods, explore page as well. Now here we can also sort them by popular and top rated. So let's click on this. And now we have here Windows 11 Start Menu Styler with 448,000 users, Windows 11 Taskbar Styler with 436,000 users, and Windows 11 Notification Center Styler with 263,000 users. So first, let's try here this Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Let's go to the details. Now it's loading and let's click here on install. Install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Proceed with care. Malicious mods can damage your computer or violate your privacy. Install mods only from authors whom you trust. Let's click here on accept risk and install. I think that because it does already have almost 500,000 users, it shouldn't have a virus in it. So now let's go here to the settings, and under the theme, let's pick one really cool one. For example, let's go with Uni menu. Let's click here on save settings, and now my start menu looks already much better than before. So this is this brand new UI, which Windhawk can actually modify on Windows 11. Let's also try one more theme here. So if I go down below, we have here Fluid for redesigned start menu. Let's click here, save settings. And if I click on this, you can see right now that it looks way more compact than before. And we also have here the categories and pinned applications on top. Now, I would also like to try this one right here, window glass. So let's try this one as well. Save settings. Let's open the start menu. Now, this one, in my opinion, does look a bit too blurry to me. So here I will go back to the theme and pick here this one, Fluid for redesigned start menu. And let's click here on save settings. Now, I think that the start menu does already look much better than before. So let's continue here with this next mod, which is Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. So let's go here to the details, and here I will click on install, accept risk and install. Now let's go here to the settings, and remember, this is how the taskbar actually looks like here on Windows 11. Pretty bland and boring. So let's go back here to the theme, and I think I will go with, for example, dock-like. Let's see how this theme actually looks like. It does have this dock kind of style to it, and then here on the right we also have this system tray, which does not look that good. So let's try to change this as well. So down below we have plenty of the themes. Let's go with window glass one. So let's select here save settings, and now I think it looks much better. And we can go back here to the explore page, and let's see which of the mods are also very popular. And then here we have Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. So let's also try to install this one as well. So let's go here. Let's click on install button, accept risk and install. Now remember, this is how the notification center here looks like. This is the default Windows 11 notification center look. Let's go back here to the Windhawk and let's go here to the settings. And under the theme here, I think I will go with, for example, window glass one. Let's click here on save settings. Let's see how this one looks like. It does have a ton of the blur here added to this notification tray. But what if we try, for example, this one, tinted glass? Let's see how this one looks like. And this one is very similar to the default Windows 11 look. What about if we go with the fluid one as well? So let's click here on save settings. And this one, I think it does look okay. So now I think I will go with window glass alternative. Let's also see how this one looks like. Now this one is much better and I think I will go with this one. So if we go here back to the explore page, we can see that you have also this banner on top of the mod which you have installed. In my case, I already have installed here Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, Windows 11 Taskbar Styler, and also Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. So let's go here next to the next mod, which is taskbar height and icon size. If I click here on the details, we can go here and click on install. So here you can see that the taskbar right now is much bigger, but what if I go here to the settings? Let's change here the taskbar height, for example, to 54, and let's see how this changes the taskbar. And you can see pretty much that the icons actually got bigger. I think I will put it back to the default, so 52, and let's click here on save settings. And now I think that the taskbar looks much better already. Now let's also try to add this really cool animation to the taskbar as well. On the search bar, let's search for animation. And here we have this taskbar dock animation, animates taskbar icons on mouse hover like in Mac OS. So let's try this one as well. Let's go here to install and accept risk and install. And here you can see that the taskbar height and icon size users, if you're using this mod to create a minimalistic taskbar, please keep the max scale at or below 130% to avoid clipping issues. So let's go here to the settings, and now we have here maximum scale already set here to 130. So let's see right now how this one looks like. Yeah, it does look super cool in my opinion, and very, very, very nice, almost macOS like. And now let's also try here to add one really cool wallpaper. So now let's go here down below and let's go to the Unsplash website where we can pretty much see a ton of the images. For example, let's try here this image. So this one, let's click here on download free. Let's click on this button and let's select here set as background. And now I think that it does look pretty cool. Now we have this brand new start menu, and of course we also have the taskbar with the new notification center style, which has this really nice blur to it. And of course we also have this animation on the taskbar, which does look very like macOS. And this is pretty much Windhawk. You can pretty much install it from their website, which I will put in the video description down below, by the way. If you want to support the channel and help me make more videos like this, consider becoming a tech enthusiast member by hitting the join button below. You will get some cool perks and it genuinely helps me keep creating content like this, but no pressure either way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next one.